comes the world's largest athlete.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, standing 7 feet tall, weighing in at 385 pounds, The Big Show.
Strutting to the ring. Look at the size of him. Big Show more agile than we've seen him in years, and more dominant than he's been in years. A confident look on the face of the Big Show. Just the look on the face of the Big Show says it all. I am here, I am ready, not just to compete, but to dominate. What a giant. There's only one. Oh yeah! Come on guys, raise the roof!
Byron, sit down and shut up.
And his partner, from the Isle of Samoa, weighing in at 401 pounds, Rikishi.
Rikishi's a former Intercontinental Champion, 3-time WWE Tag Team Champion, and he's still going strong today.
Dominant, powerful, deceivingly quick.
One of the staples of the Samoan dynasty.
Mr. Money in the Bank.
And their opponent, first, weighing in at 385 pounds, he is Mr. Money in the Bank, Braun Strowman.
Here's the man who won the greatest Royal Rumble in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. He beat the Bar at WrestleMania while teaming with a 10-year-old kid, and he won the Money in the Bank contract. It could be that time.
And his partner, from the Rocky Mountains, weighing in at 456 pounds, Vader.
That is a scary human being. It's like he's possessed.
Yeah, but what's more terrifying is the agility that this big man possesses.
For some time now, Corey, a long list of big men have entered WWE to take Big Show's place and put him out to pasture.
Yeah, and right at the top of that list is the monster among men, Braun Strowman. When these two behemoths square off, their combined weight nearly tops 800 pounds. That's a lot of pressure for a ring to support. And it looks to me like this entire arena is on its feet, and understandably so.
You make a good point, Corey, about the pressure the ring goes under when Big Show is in there with another giant like Braun Strowman. The stress to hold. Looking to lock it in here. Oh, right to the gut. Oh, and he breaks free.
But the damage might have already been done, Michael.
Big Show forced to play defense here.
The big man is on the ropes.
The Tornado Tag Team atmosphere appears to be getting the best of him here.
This is all part of the process, guys. He knew he would take on some offense here tonight. He just has to make sure he keeps it to a minimum.
Oof. Whoa, Strowman dodged that one.
What can Big Show do now to get the ball rolling again? He needs to create some space for himself if he wants to be successful here in this Tornado Tag Team match.
Well, he's certainly looking a little worse for wear, but that doesn't mean you should count him out just yet.
Oh, man.
I'm sure there's plenty of fight still left in him.
Beautiful technique.
Hits him with the gut-wrench suplex. What impact! Big Show has taken a lot of damage. I'm not sure how much more he can take.
The opposition certainly has his number here in this Tornado Tag Team match.
You hate to give up on a guy, but there may be no way around him taking this loss here tonight.
Vader stumbling some here.
So many variables for him to take into account here in this Tornado Tag match.
What a strike. Right on the mark. High impact crossbody. Just a devastating move by Big Show.
A striking blow. Big Show is putting on an absolute clinic.
Right now, Show looks like a truly unstoppable force.
Spear!
But I don't know how much gas he has left, guys. What a collision. That should do it.
Back in from the floor.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around. And he's a guy that can flip a switch and turn it on like this.
Ooh, nice Russian leg sweep.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Uh-oh.
Going for the run.
Oh, man, a mastodon-sized choke slam.
Oh, Braun Strowman slamming into the mat.
This
Looking to lock it in here.
Vader having his way in this matchup.
Uh-oh. It could be that time.
This could be fatal.
Vader bomb.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
But now, can Vader capitalize?
Cover, cover. What's he got in mind? Here's your winner, ladies and gentlemen, Vader. These superstars put on quite a show. Here's another look.
Look at him go. And here's the last piece of the puzzle.
Here are your winners, Braun Strowman and Vader.
And that's a nice win for these two here tonight.
I knew these two were a great team. I just